Alright, it's always nerve-wracking when you hear that someone's being bullied online, and I understand it can be quite an emotional ordeal to deal with. What's made it worse for you is that bullies seem to be playing the identity game. This is where it gets interesting because, as we dig deeper into identity-based security, especially when it comes to tackling cyberbullying, we really need to get smart about safeguarding personal data in our IT environment. Microsoft Defender for Identity comes into play here. It's not just about personal safety but also organizational security. Have you ever heard about how your company or school might be a target for cyber threats? Well, Microsoft Defender for Identity is a real-time solution designed to protect your information assets by detecting suspicious activities. Not to just secure your internal systems, it's also about providing peace of mind when it comes to user identities, which can often be the target of cyberbullies. So, let me walk you through this topic in a detailed yet friendly chat. When we are talking about safeguarding our IT environment against cyberbullying, the concept goes beyond just keeping our personal accounts safe. It involves making sure that our digital personas as organizations are robust fortresses. Enter Microsoft Defender for Identity. This tool offers insights into user activities, helping to flag malicious behavior before it becomes a problem. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The architecture of Microsoft Defender for Identity is a marvel. It's where they cleverly use identity intelligence. They analyze user sign-in behaviors and activities across their services, all while maintaining privacy and security, because, hey, no one likes a nosy stranger poking into our digital affairs, right? Understanding its core makes you wonder how similar protections might help to curb online harassment tactics, focusing on user intentions behind their actions. It's all about behavior analytics and pattern recognition to sniff out the bad before it spreads like gossip. I personally find it a bit similar to teaching kids to stand up for themselves and others, proactive rather than reactive. As we explore the configuration of this intelligent security system, consider how it could be tailored to address bullying in real time by monitoring signs of distress or unusual activities on an account that could signal cyberbullying. Now, the best practices. There's a lot to cover, but I'll distill it down to essentials. Firstly, setting strong passwords and multi-factor authentication isn't just for keeping off unwelcome guests, it's like saying, keep out of my backyard. Secondly, it's a whistleblower's dream, always report anything suspicious to IT or your security team. They play a pivotal role in your school or office, as a trusted adult does for me, and I rely on you. Also, let's not forget the human element in cybersecurity. Educating our peers about the importance of digital citizenship is crucial. It's about creating an environment where everyone acts thoughtfully and respectfully online. I've seen amazing campaigns for digital empathy where it's not just about blocking bullies, but also fostering an inclusive culture where we all learn to understand and care for each other's experiences. Lastly, Microsoft Defender for Identity can't work magic all on its own. It's the combination of technical solutions and community efforts where safety really is in our hands. Just like we should work together to stop a bully, or just as we can offer a hand to someone who's been picked on. Alright, before I wrap up this chat, remember that what we're discussing isn't only about protecting ourselves but extending that care to others. Being informed and taking steps to safeguard our virtual world can go a long way to making sure online spaces remain friendly for all of us. If this has piqued your curiosity like a mystery-inviting conversation, Give Microsoft Defender for Identity and Cybersecurity a read, maybe start some initiatives in your school, or just keep sharing knowledge with your friends. Because, that's often where real change starts. And hey, if you found value in our chat, why not visit neeraj.qzz.io, follow them on social for the latest in technology insights, and of course, subscribe to TechLab, where we dive deep into the best of tech together. See you there.